Watho wa thingira wa iregi wa kuhagura utongoria wa kamiti imwe cia mbunge ya bururi ukinyanirio muthi cikaro-ini iria cikuihũirwo ni urugari wa mwanya.
It is wrong. You are part of the problem that you are trying to solve here.
Chair, we must dismiss you. Chair, we must dismiss you.
Njokanirio ya mĩario na marakara.
He's not an elected member. You're wasting my time.
Order.
I'm speaking on behalf of...
You are not like order, my friend. Order. You have always been on the road.
Alfred Keter arari muikariri giti wa kamiti ya uruti wa wira, Silas Tiren arari wa kamiti ya urimi na mahiu, nake Kagongo Bowen akirugamirira kamiti ya maria maturigicĩirie guku James Gakuya akiyukia utongoria wa kamiti ya umemerekia wa cikaro cia mbunge.
You know, Honorable Keter, I'm on the floor, my friend. And let me tell you, we are using what have been read as standing orders. Give me the constitution. Voting is by secret ballot. Give me the constitution. Give me that constitution, please. Okay.
Kiama kia Jubilee kiari na andu aria kiendaga maihuria iturwa ici, no ambunge aya magicihuranira na makihotana, no igeria ria kumaiguithia macirekererie rikiringa ihiga kundu nginya mathira igoti-ini gucitetera. Thingira wa iregi wacokirio gita amember kamiti ici, no kimera njira iria urenda marumirire ya kuhagura ambunge aya na njira ya kumaikiria kura ya kwaga mwihoko nao ikinya riria ririkitie gutacukio.
That pursuant to the provision 2 standing order 193, this committee passes a vote of no confidence in the chairperson and vice chairperson, and the motion has been adopted.
It is not a responsibility of a different organ to come and dictate in terms of how business and operations of parliament should do. It's unfortunate.
For sure, I would want to request the executive that if it is possible, let parliament remain independent, let parliament do their work, let the executive do their work. We don't question the executive when they give appointments to whichever names. We just follow we do our work.
Ona thengia mbunge ya kuga ati maragagio tondu otitungati cia Jubilee, kiama kiugite ati ti kihoto gwitikiria ruriri rumwe rutongorie kamiti ici ciothe cia mbunge, makiria riria thirikari ya Jubilee irahunjia ndumiriri ya kuhimbiria nduriri iria ingi ciothe. No undu wa magegania ni ati maseneta mothe ma kuma gatagati ga bururi maratongoria kamiti itiganite cia Senate.
Even me as the leader of majority and the majority whip, we are not more educated than our colleagues. We are not better than them in any formation. But once you come to the House of Jubilee, the principle of equity and inclusivity is the principle that must be enshrined.
Regional balancing is a duty and a responsibility of the entire House. It is not an issue to be addressed by one individual who sits in a committee.
James Gakuya eyeheretie mbere ya kamiti yake kugomana kumuhagura. Githurano cia kamiti ici riu igutabanio thutha wa thiku 7 ona gutuika mumbunge wa Nandi Hills Alfred Keter erumite kini akiuga ati ndekurekagia giturwa giake atira. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.